I'm Roger with Guarantee here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we got a very, very fresh 2020 24F 4 winds. This one came in last night. I mean, this thing is just absolutely fresh. It's the 24F, which has got that full wall slide on the driver's side. Makes for a great inside. On the outside, it's a gorgeous coach. It's on the Ford E350 chassis, so it's going to get that really good fuel economy. We've got the big mirrors with side cameras built in. We've got a fully fiberglass cap in the front. We've got an automatic awning. You push a button, it opens up. It's got the LED lights built right in. I love those lights. I like the way they're pointed away from the coach because this is what you need to see. Good storage throughout, especially for a 24-foot coach. In back, we've got our tow hitch. This one is an 8,000-pound tow hitch on that E350 chassis. It's got the backup camera. It's already wired up. And if you take a look down this slide, you can see that full wall slide that I was talking about. Big storage down here, easy access for the dump. It's got the black tank flush out. A lot of great storage here. Outside shower. The water heater, I like where the water heater is located. It's not right there by the bedroom, so you don't have to listen to it. It's got a 4,000 watt awning micro quiet generator, also mounted far away from the bedroom. It's gonna help keep it quiet. Let's go inside and take a look, because you know, it looks like a little coach out here. But when we get inside, it looks like a big coach. Again, we're on the 2020 Ford chassis. It is the 6-speed. We've got a big TV for our living room. We've got a great overhead bunk for children, grandchildren, throwing luggage up there, extra gear, all kinds of stuff. It's got privacy curtains. It also has these restraints here. So if you need to put like something to keep children from rolling out, you can do that also. I love the way the Thor Corporation has really thought about their customers. Big booth dinette is going to comfortably sit 4 grown adults so we can get our feed bag on and not be right on top of one another. USB charging points throughout. Right here for the front overhead bunk, we've got 2 USB charging points because everybody's got USB charging. We've got the microwave here. Love this stove oven combination. Okay, 3-burner stove by Furon with the oven. And down here, they continued to look. I like how they continue to look. It looks like it's part of the oven. It's just a drawer, but it's a deep drawer for your big pots and pans. Great countertops, pull-out fixtures. Nice pantry, 3 fixed shelves, 2 pull-outs. Nice, deep. Big fridge. For a little coach, it's a very big fridge. And what's also very surprising is how big this bathroom is. Back here in the bedroom, we've got a privacy curtain here, stows away quite nicely. We've got our own private TV back here. The heating, cooling controls are back here in the bedroom because, you know, this is where you're going to spend the night and you want to be comfortable. The boss's bedroom. Storage overhead, windows on each side, or I'm sorry, windows on one side of this bed because we got the full wall slide on the other. Look how deep that storage is. You could put a Shetland pony in there, I swear. I mean, there's a whole size Shetland pony. Great storage underneath the bunks. This is a 2020 Thor 4 winds 24F with that full wall slide. I'm Roger Woodruff with Guarantee here in Junction City. If you have any questions about this coach or any of the others, give me a holler. I'd be happy to help you out.